How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today. We got a 2014 Volkswagen Beetle 1.8 turbo. Drives really good. Got really good tires on it. Got some, so we got some clear coat fade here and a little bit of a bumper scuff there. But besides that, a little scratch here on the door. Besides that, though, this thing is super clean. Interior is like brand new. We got some typical rock chips on some of these bugs. They sit low, so on the highway. But 99,000 miles only on it. Is red. The interior, like I said, is pretty much like brand new. I mean, it's in great shape. See, really good shape. Go ahead and start her up. She only has 99,000 miles on it. Shut the door here. So that's 99,355 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Shoot us an email, theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. If you have an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, other foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, definitely give us a holler because we also work on these cars. So, yep, this one's fully serviced, brand new battery, drives great, tires are like new. So definitely give us a holler. Thanks for checking it.